Hello everyone. So we're going to be looking at Java Arraylist on HackerRank. So the issue is that we were given n lines, and each line there are 0 or more integers. Basically what we need to do is answer a few queries where you need to tell the number located in white position of X line. We're going to be taking our input from system.in. So how do we solve this, right? So the first thing I do is just create the scanner object. This is how we're going to be capturing the user input. Then I read the number of rows in the 2D list, right? So the first input is going to be the number of rows in the the overall list. Now we're going to initialize a main 2D list and an inner list. If you're not familiar with 2D lists, feel free to kind of look that up on your own time. So the main list is going to contain the inner list. The inner list is basically all these other variables here. So it's a list within a list essentially. And then here what we're doing is these are just variables to store a number of elements and individual elements. Okay. So what this loop in total here is doing, basically in short, it's constructing the 2D list based on user input. The first loop here is going row by row, while the inner loop is actually creating that inner list. Once we exit this inner list, we add the inner list to the overall main list. Okay, and then at the end of this here, this is important, we reset the inner list to be empty. That way we're not duplicating variables or anything like that, or I should say elements. Next thing that we do here is that we actually process each query. So this is where we're kind of doing all this other stuff here. So the for loop itself is just going row by row, and then of course we're getting the row and index from the scanner object, our user input. But the first thing I do here is check if the row index is out of bounds. That means if we get like something faulty, in that case we just print out the error. The next thing I do is basically I check if the index within the row is out of bounds. That means we get an index that's greater than the length of the row. Otherwise we just simply actually print out the elements. So like in this case it would be like 74, 52, 37, and then we just close the scanner. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you. Good luck guys, happy hunting.